Congratulations on your Equissage investment.
To pair the remote to its appropriate back pad, unplug the pad from the Equissage lithium-ion battery. Press and hold the up intensity button while inserting the second AA battery. Check all LEDs are illuminated. Whilst all the LEDs are illuminated, connect the Equissage lithium-ion battery. Continue holding up intensity button until all the LEDs turn off. Release up intensity button. For the pair data to be saved in memory, the pad control board must receive 15 packets, which is 1 press of intensity button equals 1 packet within the first 20 seconds of pairing. To ensure this occurs, press the intensity up and down buttons multiple times.